Let's make some Rasta pasta. Y'all remember that chicken I made the other day in the jerk pan? Well, that chicken had one more job to do. Let's go. Today we're gonna use it to make it some jerk Rasta pasta. So we're just gonna slice it up. This is mostly the chicken breast. Smelling so good. Today we're making jerk Rasta pasta. Everything is already washed, and before anybody start typing, I know Rasta don't eat pasta. I know. I think somebody just see the colors and be like, yeah, this is definitely Rasta pasta. Look at these beautiful colors, right? So that's where I think they probably came up with the idea, the colors of the bell peppers, and be like, yeah, this is definitely this is definitely a Rasta pasta. Not because a Rasta make it, but because of the color of the pasta. That's what I think. So don't argue with me. I don't name it. I'm just cooking it, okay? It's not something I eat every day, but it's good when it's made the right way. Nice and creamy, you know, it's good. We can praise Jah in the moonlight. Yeah, this look good. This look pretty. This one look pretty. An onion. Garlic. Just a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Just a little piece for flavor. Time for the pasta. Add salt. And I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 12 to 14 minutes. That's what it says on the packaging. Or cook until al dente. 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna saute this until it's nice and fragrant or translucent. Add in 1 cup of coconut milk. I allow the coconut milk to simmer for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now add the Parmesan cheese. I'm using about 1.5 cups. Now you want to go ahead and taste and adjust the taste, okay? Add in the chicken. Look nice and creamy. Now add the pasta. And mix it in. Add the bell peppers. All done. Now this is what I was talking about, being nice and creamy. Now let's go flake this up. How come they don't make this vegetable here in the United States? They always got like steamed cabbage. That's the only vegetable they can make for Jamaican. They can't make some raw veg. Am I the only one thinking that? Amen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. You guys want some? Wow. Creamy. How does it taste, Moya?
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna taste it with the slaw. You can't get enough of the slaw, you like. It's so simple, but it just pairs good with everything. No, sir. It's good. I'm gonna order myself on this one. You had to say it, Moya. It's really nice and creamy and flavorful. And that jerk pan marinade hit the spot. It's not too spicy. It add whatever it needed to add to this dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna leave the measurement down in the description box and also the link on how to shop my products. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.